Multiplying binomials. In this lesson, you'll learn how to multiply binomials using the box method. The first thing that we need to do with the box method is to set up a 2x2 box. Next, we're going to take each binomial and write it along the sides of the boxes here. So our first binomial is x plus 3. We'll write each term above a box separately. We take the other binomial, the 2x plus 5, and we'll write each term along the sides of the boxes. Okay, next we need to fill in the boxes using multiplication, and it's very similar to completing a multiplication table. So first we multiply the 2x times x, and that gives us 2x squared. To complete the next box, we can multiply the 2x times the positive 3. That gives us plus 6x. Then to complete the boxes on the bottom, we can multiply the 5 times x to give us 5x there. And then 5 times 3 gives us 15. The next step is to put it all together so we can write it out as an expression. So we take each term that we just filled in the boxes there and write them side by side. So we have the 2x squared plus 6x plus 5x plus 15. Next, we check to see if there are any like terms that we can combine so that we can simplify this expression. And there are. We have a plus 6x and a plus 5x. We can combine those x terms to give us 11x. And our final answer is 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. Okay, let's look at another example. Remember, the first step is to set up the 2x2 boxes. Okay, then we take the first binomial and write each term along the top of the boxes. Take the second binomial and write each term along the sides of the boxes. Okay, next we can multiply to fill in the 4 boxes there. 5x times 2x gives us 10x squared. 5x times negative 4 gives us negative 20x. Negative 10 times 2x gives us negative 20x again. And negative 10 times negative 4 gives us positive 40. Now that the boxes are completed, we can write out all the terms together as an expression. 10x squared minus 20x plus 40. And we do have like terms that we can combine. We have the 2 minus 20x's there. We'll add those to give us minus 40x. So putting it all together, we get 10x squared minus 40x plus 40. And that's our final answer. Okay, now it's your turn to try. See if you can find the product of these two binomials using the box method. And don't forget, you start off by setting up your 2x2 boxes and writing the binomials along the sides. And then you can complete the boxes. You can pause the video if you need more time, and then we can check your answer together. Okay, so here's what it looks like when we set up the boxes. Okay, we wrote each term of the binomials along the sides of the boxes. Now we can complete the boxes using multiplication. The negative 2x times 3x is negative 6x squared. Negative 2x times negative 9 gives us negative 18x. Positive 1 times 3x gives us positive 3x. And the positive 1 times negative 9 gives us negative 9. So when you set up the boxes here, it is very important to keep track of which terms are positive and which terms are negative so that you don't get anything mixed up. Now we have the boxes complete. We can write out all the terms together. Negative 6x squared minus 18x plus 3x minus 9. We can combine the x terms in the middle. Negative 18x and positive 3x will become negative 15x, giving us our final answer of negative 6x squared minus 15x minus 9. So you just learned how to multiply binomials using the box method. Great job.